safety of the building, you can just go and see most of the buildings have their sprinklers. They will have their sprinklers because any building more than 40 meters, so sprinklers are mandated inside the building. That is what is specified in the code. I would have provided my sprinklers in the corridor and claimed that I have provided sprinklers in each and every floor. But we have not done that. We have given sprinklers to each and every room. Every room has a sprinklers. And also in this project, additionally we have given a fire lift. This lift, normally if any fire accident happens, entire power will cut down. So lift will not be in function. People have to run through the staircase. That is what so far it is being designed everywhere. In this project, we have given a fire lift where that lift is taken away from the electricity and taken to the fire panel. And if any fire happens, people can travel through a lift and come to the rescue area in a shorter time. So life saving, I think most of the lives goes during fire time is because of the travel time. From 21 floors to coming to the ground floor through the staircase, you just imagine the time taken. And the panic, during the panic situation, how do they feel? All this is thing. So here we are given a fire lift and we have designed that lift in such a way that if anything goes wrong, so people can access the fire lift and come to this ground floor in a matter of maximum 1 minute. When coming to the other factors, we ensure in this project that normally the water pressure will be less in the top floors. If it is a gravity kind of a system, if it will be less in the top floor. When you come to the lower floor, the pressure will be abnormal. It is very difficult to control the pressure. So here, in order to avoid, because we can have, there are a kind of a pressure relief wall system, everything is there. But performance-wise, I think that is not proven actually. So here, you might have heard about pneumatic systems also. So that is the challenge in pneumatic system is that how do you maintain it? The pressure, the amount of pressure. The project has been designed into 3 zones. So zone 1 up to 7th floor, zone 1 from 7 to 14th, zone 3 from the 14th to 21st floor. The zone 3 will be the highest capacity motor where you can make sure the pressure in the first floor, pressure in the 14th floor, pressure in the 7th floor, pressure in the 21st floor will be almost equal. Today people will use their costly gadgets like rain shower or something. If they use the rain shower, obviously the pressure has to be there. And in order to maintain those pressures, we have done this kind of a system. But this needs a lot of maintenance and the other challenges also is there. But everything is being taken care in the design. And when you talk about the green buildings, I think we are the green building champion and the largest residential footprint in green buildings. Navins is the only one company which has the largest footprint in residential sector. And every project we design is a green building. So this is also green, gold rated green building. So green means, so you need to have a water conservation, energy conservation, the lighting factors and the material you have used. Everything is being considered and it is being taken care. The orientation of the building, and here the amount of water, because today in future, I don't know, today we have a water there and think it's a kind where in future how it is going to be, but even then the entire groundwater is being recharged and the entire STP, sewage and grey water is being treated and reused to the garden and flushing. So it has to sustain on its own. So if the government permits me to provide solar for the entire house, I am allowed to do that, but still government resists in community like larger this thing, they resist towards only the common area because the terrace is also very small. The entire common electricity is taken care by the solar. So the common lights where you are used here is a LED. So using more than LED and whenever it is required, it will glow. It is not required. It means it is inbuilt sensors. All my common lights are inbuilt in sensors. Whenever you walk, you need to light, it will glow or else it will shut down. So the amount of power savings is enormous. So The maintenance cost of this building vis-a-vis a normal building will be a drastic saving in power. You may ask that what is the power saving for an individual customers, but I love to do that. But here the constraint is other type of constraints. The policy has to change, a lot of things has to change. They allow for the individual houses, for community, larger community, that is a challenge. So there are, I can keep an add-on telling a lot of features in this project. I'm just touched only the few things.
We are excited to introduce our latest residential offering, Navin Cedar at Starwood Towers. With every detail, thoughtfully crafted to offer you a true comfort home experience. Here, comfort is more than just a feature. It's a way of life. Navin Cedar is the crown jewel of Navin Starwood Towers. And moreover, this will be the final tower in the well-established 9.8 acres community with over 700 families already called home. With a fully operational clubhouse and 100 plus ready-to-use amenities, including swimming pool, gym, coffee shop, tennis court, cricket net, mini theater, and active landscape podium. You are stepping into a vibrant, thriving neighborhood from day one. Your daily essentials, such as ICICI Bank with the ATM, HDFC Bank with the ATM, supermarkets, Apollo Clinic, pharmacy, saloon, etc., are functioning within the community for your convenience. We are offering comfortable, in the term இதுக்கு நீங்க கேட்டீங்கன்னு தெரியல, 3 BHLK. Repeat பண்றேன், 3 BHLK residences featuring 2 living areas. It has taken as common and family living. ஏன்னா இப்போ வந்து லிவிங் ஏரியாலே வந்து பிரைவேட் லிவிங்கிறது அவசியம் ஆயிடுச்சு. தி ஃபேமிலி லிவிங் ஸ்பேஸ், அந்த செகண்ட் லிவிங் ஸ்பேஸ், இட்ஸ் ஃபிக்ஸ், ரொம்ப ஃப்ளெக்சிபிள். இட் கேன் பி டிரான்ஸ்ஃபார்ம் டு சூட் யுவர் லைஃப் ஸ்டைல், லைக் ஹோம் ஸ்பேஸ், பர்சனல் ஜிம், ஆர் கிரியேட்டிவ் கார்னர்ஸ், அண்ட் ஈவன் அ ஹோம் தியேட்டர் ஆல்சோ. In addition, we also offer premium 2 BHK with study apartments with high floors, lots of agricultural land, and Perumbakam Lake in the setting. Many apartments offer breathtaking views that calm one's mind after a hectic work. Every 3 BHLK. இது ஒரு யூனிக் இடம் இது. Every 3 BHLK unit has 2 car parking. And for a 2 BHK with study apartment, we provide 1 car parking. With 7 floors already structurally completed. So, already 7 floors நாங்கள் ரீச் பண்ணி முடிச்சிட்டோம். ஸோ எப்போ எங்களோட ஹேண்ட் ஓவர் டைம் இருக்கும்னு நீங்கள் எக்ஸ்பெக்ட் பண்ணுறீங்க? எப்போவுமே கரெக்டாக பேசுவீங்க, ஏன்னா இப்போ கரெக்டாக சொல்லலை. We are currently on schedule to commence handover by this time next year. Cedar is designed for those who aspire to grow, evolve, and live meaningfully. With smart home technology, a commitment to sustainability, and endured design, every inch is built to enhance your everyday life. From wider living areas and multiple use corners to an open kitchen with an extended breakfast counter and a useful balcony. Every square feet, I repeat, every square foot is created to bring your family more comfort, more freedom, and simply more happiness. It's not magic, it's just the way we build. Thank you.
price பத்தின clarity கொடுத்துறேன். Land cost, construction cost, 2 years maintenance, 2 years clubhouse, 2 car parks, all service connection charges, infra, corpus fund, all inclusive is 1908 square feet. Starting price is 1.39 only, plus GST plus registration. How did we do this, come to arrive this price? I have closed 10 deals above this price already. This price our MD wanted to give only for channel partners. You will not believe, இன்னைக்கு காலைல ஒரு கஸ்டமர் பார்த்துட்டு இந்த ஆடை பார்த்துட்டு என்கிட்ட சண்டை போட்டார், நீங்க எப்படி எனக்கு கொடுத்த பிரைஸோட எப்படி நீங்க விலை கம்மியா கொடுக்குறீங்கன்னு. Because we wanted to boost the sale of channel partners like anything. That's the ideology here. Sale percentage, first 2 sale 3%, third and fourth sale 3.5%, fifth sale and above வந்து 4%. I think this is the highest in the market today. Correct? This is the configuration of Cedar. There's 1,285 square feet, that's 2 BHK plus study, that's at 96 lakhs plus GST plus registration. 1908 3 BHLK, 1.39 CR plus GST plus registration. 1913 3 BHLK is 1.39 CR again, or a 5 square feet difference இருக்கும். It's again still 1.39 CR plus GST plus registration. 1971 3 BHLK from 1.43 CR plus GST plus registration. 2140 square feet, அதாவது கிட்டத்தட்ட ஒரு கிரவுண்ட் அந்த வீடு, 3 BHLK from 1.54 CR plus GST plus registration. இதுல இன்னொரு இன்சென்டிவ், அடுத்த 50 புக்கிங்ஸ் யாரு பண்றாங்களோ கிளப் ஹவுஸ் அக்ரிமெண்ட் சைன் பண்ணதுல இருந்து ஹேண்ட் ஓவர் வரைக்கும் இஸ் இன்க்ளூடட் இன் தி பிரைஸ். இது வரைக்கும் இண்டஸ்ட்ரியில யாருமே பண்ணாதது, அண்டர் கன்ஸ்ட்ரக்ஷன் ப்ராஜெக்ட்டுக்கு கிளப் ஹவுஸ் ஆக்சஸ் கொடுக்குறோம். We are also introducing a site visit scheme. அதாவது சைட் விசிட் பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா 1 to 4 சைட் விசிட்ஸ்க்கு 1000 rupees, 5 to 7 சைட் விசிட்ஸ்க்கு 1500, 8 and above 2000 rupees per site visit. ஸோ இதுல வந்து மினிமம் நீங்க கேரண்டியா ஈச் சிபி 50 சைட் விசிட் பண்ணலாம் தாராளமா. Also, we have Maple and Pine block also. Last few units in Maple block, 30 units available. Adula vandu actual price is 79 lakhs to 1.25 CR. In the campaign la cross selling definitely will happen. So we also wanted to give that opportunity to our customers and esteemed channel partners. Cross selling panna adukku oru nalla discount. Almost vandu more than 10% discount. 79 lakhs apartment வந்து we can close it at 70 lakhs. 1.25 CR apartment வந்து we can close it at 1.13 CR. This is ready to move in. Maple is ready to move in. Yes, and Pine block 600 square feet. இது வந்து ரொம்ப ரொம்ப பிடிச்ச பிளாக் எனக்கு, ஏன்னா highest rental returns கரண்டா எனக்கு வந்து Pine blockல வந்துட்டு இருக்கு. For each apartment 23-24,000 rupees rental வந்து the customers are getting, which is a very good sales point for us. 51.5 lakhs actual cost. Last 20 units only, we can give it at 46.5 lakhs. We also have a couple of other projects also. Navins Sankalpa, Navins Vyakarna, Navins Satvika, Navins RP Enclave, Navins Hanging Gardens. All city projects, we have slabbed it at 2%. And Navins Homgrana, like how our land team had introduced, we are slabbing it at 1.5% because it's on the higher segment. Navins Hillview Avenue, Maple and Pine blocks of Navins. Yes, this is the percentage. 1 to 2, 2%, 3 to 4, 2.5%, 5 plus is 3.5%.